Hello everyone! Today we are drawing a super cute Christmas cupcake. Grab your pencils, let's go. First, draw 2 small red circles. These are the berries on top. Make them round, make them fun. Nice! Right after that, let's add a leaf. Draw a soft, curved shape. Add a line in the middle. Does yours look festive yet? Mine does! Time for the candy sticks. Draw 2 curved sticks going up. One to the left, one to the right. Make them twisty and playful. Awesome! Here comes the frosting. Start with a small swirl on top. Keep it smooth. Below that, add a bigger layer and one more underneath. Look at that! So fluffy! Build the cupcake body. Draw a wide... Now stop for a second because this is the cutest part. Draw 2 big round eyes. Add tiny shiny dots inside. Wow! It's already smiling at us! Just below the eyes, draw a small curved mouth. Sweet, simple, perfect. Yes, you're doing great! Under everything, draw a flat oval. This is the cupcake base. It keeps our cupcake steady. Let's make it magical. Add little stars around the cupcake. Throw in some round dots. Fill the space. Don't be shy. Line drawing done. High five! Time to color. This is where the magic happens. Start with the berries. Color them bright red, juicy red. Yum! For the frosting, pick a soft, creamy color. Add light shades, add darker shades, make it pop. Color the front of the cupcake brown, warm and delicious. Finish strong. Add bright colors everywhere else. Make it bold. Make it happy. Make it yours. Color the leaf green, fresh and lively. Look at that cute Christmas cupcake! You made it! If you're proud of your drawing, hit the like button. Subscribe for more fun drawings. And tell me in the comments, what should we draw next? See you soon! Keep drawing and happy holidays!